My name is Pratham. I read in class 8th. They are my friends Deepak and Saransh, and we explain a chapter on cell. Cell are made up of cellular organs. Cell are the fundamental unit of our life. Group of cell is called tissue. Group of tissue is called organs. Group of organs is called organ system. Group of organ system is called organism. Parts of a cell membrane. The cell membrane is a thin layer present outside the cell, inside the cell. It is porous and semi-permeable in nature. It also gives the shape of the cell. Cell wall. Cell wall are made up. It is additional wall present inside the cell, outside the cell. It is made up of natural component called cellulose. It is present in plant cell and absent. It is absent in animal cell. The cell wall is also important in plant cell because they do not escape the environmental stress. Cytoplasm. Most part of the cell consists by cytoplasm. It contains nucleus and various other cellular components. These cellular components are called cell organelles. The nucleus is a spherical body present inside the cell. It acts like the control center of the cell. It contains jelly-like substance called nucleoplasm. The nucleus separates from rest by nuclear membrane. The nucleus has a thread-like network called chromatin. A small spherical structure present inside the nucleus called nucleolus. A rod-like structure present inside the nucleus called chromosomes. Each species has a fixed number of chromosomes. A human being have only 46 chromosomes in cells. They contain DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid inside them. Genes are the unit of inheritance, that is, they help to transmitting character parents from two offspring. Prokaryotic cell. The prokaryotic cell does not have a nuclear membrane. The nucleus in this case is referred to as a nucleoid. Bacteria and microplasm are the example of prokaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell have a true nuclear membrane. The nucleus in this case is referred to as is bounded by a nuclear membrane. Thank you, and I would like to call Deepak to explain a topic on multicellular and unicellular organisms.
Good morning everyone, I am Deepak from class 8. I represent the representation of unicellular organisms and multicellular organisms. Unicellular organisms are made of single cells are called unicellular organisms. A single cells perform two functions. It growth, the movement, digestion, respiration and reproduction. Amoeba and paramecium bacteria are examples of unicellular organisms. Paramecium are example of paramecium. Multicellular organisms there are many cells made of many cells of multicellular organisms. Such organisms are usually microscopic, which means they can be seen through unaided eyes. Different cells present in the body are dedicated to perform different functions. Thank you. Presentation on plant cell and animal cell.
Good morning, respected parents, teachers, and all my dear friends. Here I am Ansh from class 8. Today I want to representation of the difference between plant cell and animal cell. Plant cell. They are very larger in size. In plant cell, cell membrane and cell wall are present. In centrosols and centrosols are absent in plant cell. Golgi bodies are not well formed in plant cells, animal cells. They are mostly smaller in size. In animal cell, cell membrane is present but cell wall is absent. Centrosols and centrosomes are also absent in animal cell. Golgi bodies are well formed in animal cell. Plastids are mostly absent in animal cell. Thank you.
Now I would like to call.
Good morning everyone, I am Sarang from class 8. I want to say some, my topic is cell organ. First is mitochondria. Mitochondria is the structure of kidney and mitochondria is the shape of kidney. It digests the food and produces energy in our body. This is known as the powerhouse of our body. Second is plastids. Plastids are the shape structure in body plant cell. There are three types: chromoplast and chloroplast and nucleoplast. Chromoplast. These plastids are contain green pigment with chlorophyll is called chromoplast. Second is chloroplast. This plastid contains the non-green pigment with is called like chromoplast. Third is leucoplast. Leucoplast are the contain colorless plastids and very safe. And they digest food and many protein. Third is in centrose and centrosomes are play important role in our body. These are only present in plant cell. Thank you. Have a nice day.